Question 5 is the best question on the paper. It's usually transformation, trigonometry. Well, actually, it's the second best behind statistics. And this question says the diagram shows triangle LMN and its image triangle PQR after a transformation. It says, write down the coordinates of N. This is where N is. The coordinates of N, the X value is 4 and the Y value is 5. Okay, and so N is 4, X value right first, then a Y value of 5. So that's the coordinates of N. Next thing it says, on the grid above, draw triangle FGH. And triangle FGH, they say it's a reflection of triangle LMN in the y-axis. Now, this is the y-axis, all right? So we're going to reflect it in the y-axis. So if we reflect it in the y-axis, this is going to be F. And then this is 4 units from the mirror line. So 4 units from the mirror line is here. This will be N, well, G, FG. And then H will be where the reflection of N. That's 4 units across, which is here. 4 units across from the mirror line. The mirror line is this line, right? And then this will be H. All right, and so this is it. Not such wonderful drawing, but bear with me. Okay, that's that. Now it says, using vector notation, describe the transformation which maps LMN to triangle PQR. What maps it to PQR? This is just a translation. This is just a translation. And what's a translation? Notice that from L to P, go down by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So all we do is translate it down 6 units. All right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So we can just write that triangle LMN is mapped to PQR by a translation going 6 units down in the negative y direction. All right, and that's that is a translation that maps the two triangles. So how we write it is that T, the transformation T, is equal to, it didn't go across to the right, so x is 0, but then we'll put -6 for going in the down direction. So the translation is 0, -6. Nice and easy. Now next it says, complete the following statements. Triangle PQR is mapped onto FGH by a combination of two transformations. First, so triangle PQR onto FGH. PQR onto FGH. First, it would be mapped by a translation, then a reflection. First, triangle PQR is mapped onto LMN by a translation. First, triangle PQR This is PQR mapped onto LMN. Mapped to LMN by a translation. Yeah, this is translation. See if we can move this a little bit so it's a little better. So it's mapped by a translation parallel to the dash, a translation parallel to the dash, then triangle LMN is mapped onto FGH, then triangle LMN is mapped onto FGH, and this is mapped onto FGH by a reflection in the y-axis. All right, by a reflection in the y-axis. This is a reflection in the y-axis. When they say parallel to, I'm speculating this means parallel to the x-axis. All right, now next it says triangle PQR and triangle FGH are congruent. State two reasons why they are congruent. PQR and FGH. PQR and FGH. Clearly they're congruent. How do I know that? There are many reasons. As you can see, HG, these are congruent triangles, and here are the reason. Let's put it right here. We can see that the length of HG is equal to the length of PQ. We can see that GF is equal to the length of, well, this shouldn't be PQ right here. HG is actually equal to QR. Right, RQ then. And then GF, as you can see, is equal to PQ. And finally, we can see that their hypotenuse, HF, is equal to PR. All right. So what does that mean? That's the first reason. This shows that, of course, their corresponding sides are equal in length. All right, all their corresponding sides are equal in length. All right, this is what this shows right here. So let's tell them that. So state two reasons. Reason number one, all their corresponding sides are equal in length. All right, all their corresponding sides are equal in length, as we showed. So we clearly show that all their corresponding sides are equal in length. So as you can see, HR equal RQ, GF equal PQ, and HF equal to PR. That's one reason. Next thing, after we show that all their corresponding sides are equal, all their corresponding angles are also equal. So you can see that the angle HGF is going to be equal to angle PQP, which is 90 degrees, and stuff like that. All right, that's the second reason. All their corresponding angles, all their corresponding angles are also equal. All right, and so hence they are congruent. Nice and easy, soft. That takes care of question 5.